Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your battery only. Remove the lid and disconnect the TIPM power post. Insert 40 amp fuse into slot J3, replacing the existing fuse if necessary. Pull the TIPM out from its bracket and disconnect. Now disconnect the C4 white and the C5 brown plug. Insert the provided hook tools with their tabs facing inwards towards the empty plug cavity. Gently pull on the loops with your fingers to remove the plastic insert. Now insert MAKS bypass and gently press on it to secure it in place. Connect both plugs and make sure they are in their locked position. Now connect the TIPM power post. Snap the lid back on, reconnect the negative terminal, and you are done.